Hi, I'm Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media, and here with me this afternoon is Peter Bouwhuis, who is teaching our Project Freight Management Workshop. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Seems I've been talking to some of your participants, and you have quite an engaged group.
It is, and the funny thing is, last couple of years we had a lot of shippers in there. At the moment we have a lot of forwarders in there. So I don't know if that's the case. That is because of that, but yes, it's a good group.
More engaged.
I don't know. They want to know more, I think.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
All right, and it seems like you have quite an international group as well.
Correct. There's some people from South America, from all over the place actually. I haven't really looked at all the locations, but yes, there's good crowd.
Talked to people
Very
from
good crowd.
as far away as Shanghai, so
correct.
It's exciting. Great opportunity to not only learn from you, but also network.
Yeah, it's. I think for the participants amongst each other, it's very good. I've already seen a couple of forwarders. They obviously going to work now together, so it hit off. So that's very good.
Yeah.
And they get to meet a few shippers too. So
Absolutely.
that's very nice.
Absolutely.
Yes.
One piece that I caught of your workshop today was the diagram that showed the overlap between good, cheap, and fast, and
Correct.
you told everyone you can only pick two.
Correct. Yeah, there are two diagrams. One is the triangle, and the other one pick any two. It's a very good tool. It's a very simple tool, but it explains very well to any shipper or anybody in the business. If you change one element, it's going to affect the other elements, and especially with pricing. If you try to get something cheap, you're going to compromise on time and you're going to compromise on quality. You want a better quality, then it's going to cost you more and maybe take some more time. So it always affects any of the three. Pick any two, it's the same thing. You want it cheap and fast, it's not going to be good. It's very simple.
That can be very expensive in the long run.
You want a good and you want a cheap, it's not going to be fast.
Got
it always works.
All right.
So it's a very good tool to use.
All right. Well, what's on deck this afternoon for your group?
This afternoon we continue a little bit on the pricing, we continue a bit on contracting, and then finally we get to again to the planning, because planning is one of the most important things of a project. If you don't take the time to plan up front, you're going to lose all that leverage along the project time cycle. It's going to be a very, very interesting afternoon again.
And I know they're going to have a lot of questions.
A lot of questions, and we're going to have a lot of laughs too. So
all right.
it's
Well,
part
excellent.
of it. Yeah?
Good to talk to you.
Okay. Thank you very much.